So this is question 24, a geometry question. So from this diagram, AB is parallel to CE, and F is a midpoint of AC. Given that AB is equal to 3AG, it means that BG to GA is 2 to 1. The area of triangle is equal to 666. We are asked to find what is the area of triangle CDE. Since F is a midpoint of AC, so these two are the same. We join B and F. Suppose the area of triangle AGF equals to K. If this is equal to K, because the triangle AGF and the triangle BGF has the same height, and the base is of 1 to 2, so the area of triangle BGF equals to 2K. So this is equal to 2K. And now we look at the triangle AFB. The triangle AFB is of area of 3K. And the triangle CFB has the same height of the triangle of AFB. And the base are of the same length, so these will be exactly equal to 3K. The area of triangle BCF equals to 3K. Since AB is parallel to CE, we note that the angle GAF equals to the angle FCE. And also the angle AFG equals to angle EFC. Moreover, AF equals to FC. So we conclude that the triangle FGA is congruent to the triangle FEC. The area of triangle FEC is equal to the area of triangle AGF and is equal to K. And also, we have CE. CE is equal to AG, and AG is equal to half of BG. Now we concentrate on the triangle DCE and the triangle DBG. Note that the triangle DCE is similar to triangle DBG because these are parallel and they have a common angle. These two triangles is similar, and CE is half of AB. It will mean that CD is equal to half of BD. BC is equal to CD. And since BC equals to CD, and we note that the area of triangle BCF and the area of triangle CDF, they are the same because they have the same height and same length. And therefore, the triangle CDF is equal to 3K. And therefore, the triangle of CDE will have the area of 2K. Now we go back to the given condition that the area of triangle ABC equals 666, but it is also equals to 6K. And therefore, the triangle of CDE is of area of 2K will be equals to 222. And 222 is the answer for the question 24.